Welcome, and thanks for walking with me today. We're in the heart of Los Angeles, exploring one of the city's most loved and historic places, the original Farmers Market. This market has been part of LA life since 1934. What started as a small group of local farmers selling produce has grown into a lively open-air market filled with food, culture, and history. As you walk through, you can really feel that this place has stories to tell. Every direction brings something different. The smell of fresh bread, grilled meats, coffee, and spices fills the air. You'll see food stalls serving cuisines from all over the world, classic American comfort food, Mexican tacos, Middle Eastern dishes, French pastries, and so much more. It's one of those places where every step makes you hungry. What makes the farmers market special isn't just the food, but the atmosphere. People come here to relax, meet friends, and enjoy the moment. Locals sit at outdoor tables chatting, visitors explore with cameras in hand, and cooks prepare meals right in front of you. There's always movement, but it never feels rushed. Some of these stalls have been here for generations, run by families who've been serving the community for decades. The recipes, the signs, even the counters feel full of history. It's a reminder of what Los Angeles was like long before skyscrapers and social media. Between the food stands, you'll also find small specialty shops selling unique snacks, spices, and handmade goods. These little corners often hide the best surprises, things you didn't know you were looking for until you see them. Street musicians sometimes play nearby, adding music to the sound of conversation and cooking. It all blends together into a feeling that's warm, familiar, and very human. This isn't just a place to eat, it's a place to experience everyday life in Los Angeles. And just steps away from here is another iconic destination. As we leave the historic market behind, we're heading into the Grove.
Chicken breast today, huh? Sorry? You don't have chicken breast? Chicken breast? Oh, here they are. How many? I need like 2. I got a barbecue. Those little thin ones are the barbecue. They cook too fast.
There's a lot of pickles here. A nice smell. Baklava. Hey.
As we keep walking through the original farmers market, it becomes clear that this place is more than just food. It feels like a living part of Los Angeles history. The signs above the stalls, the layout of the walkways, and even the worn floors tell quiet stories from decades past. There's no fixed path here. You simply move where your senses guide you, toward the smell of fresh bread, sizzling grills, or roasted coffee. Conversations blend with the sounds of cooking, creating a natural rhythm that makes the market feel alive but never rushed. What makes this place special is its sense of community. Vendors greet familiar faces, regular visitors know exactly where they're going, and newcomers are welcomed without effort. People from different backgrounds share the same tables, enjoying simple moments together. The market reflects the diversity of Los Angeles itself. Each stall represents a different tradition, often passed down through generations. These flavors carry memories of other places, now woven into the everyday life of the city. As daylight shifts, the atmosphere softens. Shadows stretch across the walkways, and the market feels even more relaxed. It's a place that encourages slowing down, staying present, and appreciating the moment. The original farmers market doesn't try to change or impress. It simply remains what it has always been. A place where people gather, food brings comfort, and history quietly continues with every step.
I mean, my parents haven't responded though.
Thank you very much. This is for you guys. So they're going to be on that side. Thank you.
Now we're walking into the Grove, one of the most iconic shopping and lifestyle destinations in Los Angeles. Right away, the atmosphere feels different. The Grove is clean, open, and beautifully designed, with wide walkways, classic architecture, and an elegant outdoor layout. It almost feels like a movie set. and in many ways, it is. This place is famous for appearances in films, TV shows, and celebrity sightings. As you walk through, you'll notice how everything is designed for comfort. There's space to slow down, to look around, and to enjoy being outside. Palm trees line the paths, music plays softly in the background, and the entire area feels calm yet lively at the same time. At the center of the grove is the fountain plaza. Water moves in rhythm, sometimes dancing to music, drawing people in to stop and watch. It's a popular place for photos, but also a nice spot to pause and enjoy the surroundings. The shops here range from well-known brands to stylish boutiques. Whether you're interested in fashion, technology, beauty, or gifts, there's something for everyone. Even if you're not shopping, it's still a great place to walk and take in the design. One of the most charming details is the vintage trolley that runs between the grove and the original farmers market. It adds a nostalgic touch and connects the old and new sides of this area in a simple, relaxing way. Throughout the grove, you'll find outdoor cafes and dining spots where people sit, talk, and enjoy the California weather. During different seasons, the space transforms, with live music, special events, and holiday decorations that make each visit feel unique. The Grove isn't just a shopping center. It's a place where people come to spend time, meet friends, and enjoy the city at a slower pace. It perfectly complements the historic farmers market next door, blending modern Los Angeles with its past. Thanks for walking with me today. Subscribe for more videos.
There's many people here today. Today is Sunday.
Really like what do you think is like the best